So this particular type of lock I'm finding in roller shutter control switches, where it's turned in one direction to put the roller shutter up and the other direction to put the roller shutter down. It's only got 5 pins. It normally has security pins, and they normally have quite good bitting in them, so they can be problematic when they're installed in the boxes in the field. So what I've got here is a 40 thousandths Z wrench, and I've got a Moki diamond. And what we're going to do is have a go at single pin picking this. So let's go pin 5. There's pin 5. Nice click on 5. 4, 3, pin 2, and pin 1. Let's go back to the end again. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, pin 5, 5, 4. Okay, there we go. So so we just single pin picked that. That went quite easily actually. I was expecting a little bit more of a fight. Let's try a different method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the tension wrench into the bottom of the keyway this time, and I'm going to use a city rake. So let's see if we can rake this into submission. So we'll pop that in, we'll give it a rake up and down, backwards and forwards. It's not giving me anything at all at the moment, no indication of anything setting. Normally with a security pin you would expect to see some sort of false set appear. So the rake doesn't seem to be having much effect. A little rotation on the core then. We'll just keep on trying, see whether we can get it to open with a rake. Oh, there we go, look at that. That was as quick as a single pin picking it. In fact, if anything, it was quicker. So there we are, we've had that twice. Let's go for a trio. What I'll do is I'll use the Yale 5B leashy. Let me just turn this round and change the focus a bit. Let me zoom out a bit. There we go. Get the scale going. Okay. Let's have a feel of the feedback on this and see what we've got. So reset it. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 or 4. Okay, 5 is binding. Let's set 5. There's a click on 5. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 3, 2 or 1. 1 might be binding a little bit. Yeah, 1 was binding. 1 is now set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's try this again. Let's reset it. Okay, 5 is set. 4, 3, 2, 1 is causing a bit of a problem here. I'm not sure why. There's 1. 2 is binding now. 2. Click on 2. Click on 3. Click on 4. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Let's try one more time. So there's 5. There's a click on 5 now. Proper click on 5. 4, 3, 2. There's 1. 1 is set. 2, 3 is set. Nothing on 4. Back to 1. 2 now feels set. 3, There we go. Okay, so we've got that. So so actually what we can do is we can look at the bitting now. Let's just see. So what have we got? One looks like it's about a 3. Pin 2 looks like it's a 2 height. 3 is virtually a 0. 4 is virtually a 0. And 5 looks like it's about a 4. So 4, 0, 0, 2 and 3. So yeah, it's quite flat bitted. So that would suggest then that that's why this is opening with a city rake and not taking very long to pick with the single pin picking. So what I'm going to do, let's have a quick, let's gut this so you can see there's no skullduggery or cheating going on here. If we take this out, try and keep it in shot for you. Right, I'll just move the camera. Let's pop it down here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to gut this now, and we'll see what was actually inside. Right, as you can see, I locked it up and I had to pick it again before I could gut it. So you saw me pick that a second time with the leashy tool very quickly in hand. And yes, it was looking like it's very flat bitting. And they're all standard pins. So there's no security pins in here at all, which would probably explain why this was particularly easy to rake and not that hard to pick. So there are exceptions to every rule, and obviously this particular cylinder doesn't have the normal security that you would expect to find in one of these locks.